If you want to remove shared files in Google Drive, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is a really useful trick if your Shared With Me section is getting cluttered and you want to clean things up without deleting anything from the owner's drive. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple Google Drive tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Then sign in to your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside Google Drive, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Shared With Me. This is where all the files and folders that others have shared with you will appear. Now find the shared file that you want to remove from your list. You can click once to select it. After selecting the file, look at the top menu bar. You should see a remove or trash style option near the top. Click that remove button to take the file out of your Shared With Me list. This part is important. Removing a shared file from your list does not delete it for everyone. It simply hides it from your view, which means the file is no longer shown in your shared items. So if you ever need to access it again, you can usually still open it using the original link, as long as the owner hasn't changed permissions. If you're trying to organize your drive, this is a great way to clear out old shared documents, completed projects, or files you no longer need to see. It helps keep things neat and makes it much easier to find the files that actually matter. Just to recap, go to Google Drive, click Shared With Me, select the file, and then click Remove from the top menu. That's all you need to do. It's fast, simple, and completely beginner-friendly. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Google Drive tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.